Today's question is a raised to power of 2 plus b raised to power of 2 is equal to 95. Then ab equal to 38. We need to find the value of a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4. Let's see how to do. They are given a raised to power of 2 plus b raised to power of 2, that is equal to 95. You consider this as equation 1. And then ab equal to 38. You consider this as equation 2. Then from 2, we can find that b equal to 38 over a, isn't it? Now apply this b value in your first equation. Then our first equation turns into a raised to power of 2 plus b raised to power of 2. So the b value is 38 over a. So that is 38 over a whole raised to power of 2. That is equal to 95. This 38 over a whole raised to power of 2, we can write it as 38 whole raised to power of 2 over a raised to power of 2. If we take a raised to power of 2 as LCM, then we will get the numerator as a raised to power of 4 plus 38 whole raised to power of 2, that is equal to 95. If you multiply both sides by a raised to power of 2, then you get cancel a raised to power of 2 and a raised to power of 2. So we left only this. So now 38 whole raised to power of 2. Using the shortcut trick, we can find the value of this. Here our tens digit is 3 and unit digit is 8. And if you do 10 square, which is 3 square is 9, you just write it as double digit and then square the unit digit and then multiply all the numbers. So what we have 10 digit as 3, unit digit as 8, and then the square number is 2. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 times 2, which is 48. Just write here 48. Now add it. So we are going to get 1444. So 38 whole raised to power of 2. The value is 1444. And then what we have? We have 95 whole raised to power of 2. So we can write this equation as a raised to power of 4 minus 95 a raised to power of 2 plus 1444, that is equal to 0. Take this 1444 and find out the prime factors of this. If you do prime factorization, then we may get, here we have 361 and we know that 19 times 9, which is 361. So 1444, the factors are 2 times 19 times 19. So this we can write it as 19 times 2 times 2 is 4 and times 19. So 4 times 19 is 76. So if we do addition here, 19 plus 76, which we get 95. So that means 19, 76 are our factors. So we can write this a raised to power of 4. 95 we can write in terms of 19 a power 2 minus 76 a power 2, and this 1444 we can write it as 19 times 76. If you take a power 2 as common, so we are going to left a power 2 minus 19, and then if you take it common 76, then we are going to get a power 2 minus 19, isn't it? So we can say that a power 2 minus 19 equal to 0, and then a power 2 minus 76 equal to 0. So from here a power 2 equal to 19, then a value is plus or minus root 19. Similarly, another one is a raised to power of 2 is 76 and the a value is plus or minus root 76. This root 76, we can write this as 19 times 4, which is 2 root 19 plus or minus 2 root 19. We got 4 values. One is plus root 19 and another one is minus root 19. The third one, this is the first one, this is the second one, and third one is plus 2 root 19 and the fourth one is minus 2 root 19. So these are the 4 roots of this given expression, but our goal is to find a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4 value. Let's go and find out. First consider a as root 19. If a is root 19, then b value is 38 over a. 38 over a. So the a value is root 19. So let's write it here root 19 and then do multiply and divide it by root 19. So denominator root 19 times root 19, which gives only 19. So then 19 times 2 is 38. So the b value is 2 times root 19. So these are the a and b values. So our goal is to find a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4. So our a value is root 19. But here they are asking a raised to power of 4. So that's why do square on both sides. Then we are going to get here 2 and square root gets cancelled. So a raised to power of 2, the value is 19. But we need a raised to power of 4. That's why again you do square on both sides. So a raised to power of 4, the value is 19 raised to power of 2 plus b raised to power of 4. First we take b. So our b value is 2 root 19. If you do square on both sides, then we are going to get 4 times 19, which is 76. Then again you have to do power 2. Then we are going to get b raised to power of 4 value, isn't it? So then b raised to power of 4, the value is 76 whole raised to power of 2. The goal is to find 19 raised to power of 2 and 6 raised to power of 2. 19 raised to power of 2, the value is 361. And 76 raised to power of 2 value, using our shortcut trick, we can find the value. First you consider this 7 as tens digit and 6 as unit digit. First square the tens digit and square the unit digit. Then multiply all the numbers. 7 6 are 42. 42 double is 84. Then add the numbers. Then we are going to get 5776. So 19 power 2, the value is 361 plus 76 raised to power of 2, the value is 5776. So after adding, so a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4, the value is 6137. So according to the first root, we found that a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4 value. Now we have to take the second root, which is minus root 19. The b value is 38 over a, which is minus root 19. So if you do multiply and divided by root 19, then we are going to get minus 2 root 19. So these are the a and b values. Now find out a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4. So for that, first you have to take a value, which is minus root 19, then do square on both sides. Then we are going to get this minus, when you do square it turns into plus, so which is 19. So a raised to power of 2, the value is 19. Then again if you do square on both sides, then you are going to get a raised to power of 4 value, which is 19 raised to power of 2. 19 raised to power of 2, the value is 361. So the a raised to power of 4, the value is 361 plus. Now we have to check the b value. The b value is minus 2 root 19. If you do square on both sides, then this minus turns into plus, and this 2 turns into 4, and then this is 19. 4 times 19, which is 76. So b power 2, the value is 76. Again if you do square on both sides, that is 76 whole raised to power of 2. Just now we found that 76 whole raised to power of 2, the value is 5776. So just write 5776. 361 plus 5776, the value is 6137. After using the second root, we got the same answer as the first one, which is 6137. So now go and take the third root. Third root, a value is plus 2 root 19. B value is 38 over a. So instead of a, we can write here 2 root 19. If you do again multiply and divided by root 19, so denominator root 19 times root 19, which is only 19. So after gets cancelled, get only 2, and this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, so we left only root 19 here. So the b value is root 19. So let's go and find out a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4 value. So for that, first you have to take a value, which is 2 root 19. If you do square on both sides, then we are going to get 4 times 19, which is 76. So a power 2, the value is 76. Now if you do again square on both sides, then we are going to get a power 4 value, which is 76 whole raised to power of 2. And this is a raised to power of 4 value. Let's take b and do square on both sides. Then here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 19. This is your b power 2 value. So but we need a b power 4. That's why do again square on both sides. B power 4, the value is 19 raised to power of 2, that is 361. So 5776 plus 361, after adding, then we are going to get 6137. So for the third root also, we are getting the same answer, which is 6137. So let's go and find out for the fourth root. Minus 2 root 19. So the b value you need to find out. So 38 over minus 2 root 19. If you do multiply and divided by root 19, denominator root 19 times root 19, which gives only 19. So after get cancelled, so we are getting only 2. These two cancel, we are going to get minus root 19. So this is the b value. Now we need to find a power 4 plus b power 4 value. So a value is minus 2 root 19. If you do square on both sides, so this minus turns into plus. 2 power 2, which is 4, times root 19 whole square, which is 19. So 4 times 19, the value is 76. So that is a power 2 value. If you do again square on both sides, then we are going to get a power 4 value, which is 6 whole raised to power 2. The value is 5776. Just write 5776 plus. Now we need to find b power 4 value. B value is minus root 19. If you do square on both sides, then it is going to get only 90. If you do again square on both sides, then you are going to get b raised to power of 4 value, which is 19 power 2, that is 361. So after adding, we are going to get 6137. That means for all 4 values of a and b, we got the same answer for the a raised to power of 4 plus b raised to power of 4. The value is 6137. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.